Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.5, Problem 6. This is Section 3.5, Problem 6. We have 0.3424 divided by 8. So, written in this format, it's easy to enter in a calculator if you can use a calculator, but if you have to solve the problem by hand, you want to write it with the first number under a division symbol, the 0.3424, and in front of the division symbol, the first number. Now, when you do a division and you have a decimal, the decimal just comes straight up in the answer. Now, 8 fits into 0, it doesn't go into 0. You can even put a 0 on top. It goes in 0 times. 8 does not fit into 3 either. It'll go into 3 0 times because it's just not, 3 is not big enough to fit in 8. Now, will 8 fit into 34? Yes, it will. It'll go in 4 times. 4 8s are 32. So 4 times 8 is 32. And now we can subtract 34 minus 32 is 2. Bring down the next digit, which is a 2. So I have 22. 8 will fit into 22 how many times? Well, 3 8s is 24. That's a little too big. 2 8s is 16. So it'll fit in twice. 2 times 8 is 16. And now 22 minus 16 is 6. The next digit over is a 4, so that'll come down next to the 6 we just got. 8 divides into 64 8 times. 8 times 8 is 64. And so the final answer is 0.0428. We can write it right next to it, 0.0428.